Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the downtrend. As you can see, this is your resistance, and we are getting rejection, multiple rejections, and this looks like a downtrend to me for now. So coming back to daily chart, in daily, we are below the EMI, and this is your downtrend. Now we have to, well, I don't like it right now. Okay, today was Monday, so this candle is like kind of useless. It's a Christian cross. Okay, so yeah, this could be an uptrend, pullback, and uptrend. We don't know. Uptrend will be the confirmed if this high is broken. Okay, or maybe this high. Yeah, so if this high is broken in the coming days in daily chart, then we will confirm the uptrend. But I don't like it right now the way this is it. So I will not look for trades in couple of days in Euro USD because I don't see the structure very clear here. Coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour we have just crossed above the EMI. So this is your new uptrend. Okay, so this is your new high. Now this is not broken yet. Okay, so we have to wait for this high to be broken to take the long trade. Quite tricky. I will not trade Euro USD, as I said, because I don't have any clear picture in daily chart. Okay, so this was your new downtrend, pullback, new low, and now we have this engulfing blue candle. So these 3 candles have engulfed this previous downward move, and now this could be your pullback for the uptrend, and then we might go up. Right now I have no clarity in Euro USD, but as per GBP USD, we might trade Euro USD as well. So if I have the clarity in GBP USD, then we can apply the same logic in Euro USD as well. So go and watch my coming GBP USD video so that you can see the direction of GBP USD, because Euro USD will most likely be similar to GBP USD. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and do everything we discussed in the beginning. Join the brokers and get the software if you want. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.